We know them worth, them value, them not miserable and sad, them not conniving and disgusting. You know them ones that see power girl like me. I want to tell me that. I must do it every hour. Life mixed up like porridge. Them expire, give them to garbage. Where is the rubbish truck? Oh, guess what? Someone applauds me, and when was it? Saturday. When I was fixing my hearing, a lady said to me, I'll fix your hearing for you. And you know what, Queenie? I applaud you. Is that the word? Guess what them applaud me for? Them say you do flip it down in a Queenie. Queenie, you do flip it down. Flip it down in a Queenie. Mr. Queenie, you do flip it. It's a lot. I need a fan. Ooh, menopause. Don't know how green lime. Me do her. You could have sit down and with that one style. You have to live forget content and for you to applaud. They applaud me. Contents of my queen. That's how powerful me is. If you go over there saying a talk about me, nobody now look for you. As me done tell a girl, put me out in a ring and make a vote and see who the world I go vote for. Full. Me saw some of them put up on me something last night when me say, what was it? Me so fascinated over myself. What was it again when I say? You shame me. Oh, I'm afraid of you. You make me afraid of you. You shame me, something like that. It never have a terrible laugh. When me tell the girls to go hide from her, shame. No flip it on me. You wanna flip on me. But do you have any guts? He doesn't have any guts. Can you sit and speak about yourself? Take one day out of you something and just talk about you. Find your qualities, find your powers, find your talent, find your word, find your value without calling the queen's name. You're not going nowhere unless you say queen. Then queenie, and it's bigger than you sit on in one spot. Make sure the world England bomb. Them say queen run to run, queen, run, queen, run, queen. You know, have energy like me, girl. Natural. There's a natural mystic flowing through the queen. R.I.P. Queen Elizabeth. Flip. You go and flip. Who's that girl? Lucky lady, lucky lady. Who's that girl? It's not yours. It's not yours. You have your half. Half of you, half of me. But that split door. Uh-huh. Do you have your half, yeah? Don't be cheating, yeah? Stop running and had. But Natasha one. Natasha one, my other add Natasha. Where is she? Natasha, you wanna come live, girl? Coming to cuss me. Alright. My husband said you're cussing me, I just red button you. Alright, I'm gonna add that. I'm scared. Natasha, you there?
Hey, Queenie. Hey, that's me, baby. All natural, no face, no
Are
cake.
you them send
But
for black?
hot damn. Yeah, no, 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 no. They told you to add me. That's what they did. Queenie, I'm not a bad girl. All I said is the man blind. So how can you read the negative comments if he's blind? And when I said that, everybody shoot up in the comments and they went crazy. But hi, y'all.
I like you. It's alright.
I love you. What do you mean? Canada, the whole of Africa loves and celebrates you. I love you so, 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 so much.
Thank you. Me nah have black card. I
How are
never
you
hear me
doing?
say me
How's your
nah have
money
black
going?
card. She should explain that. Just explain what you said. It's all right.
Yeah, the man say him blind, so he say he's seeing all these negative comments. So I'm like, how are you seeing all the negative comments if you're blind?
It's more of a question, more than it's. Yes.
Yeah, but then they run with it and say block Tasha, block me, bitch, but God will never do it. Okay,
You know why
point
I'm
blank
not black
period.
yet? All right,
Simple.
Natasha. You know why I'm not black you? It's the God where you use
Why,
me,
Queen?
and that's why I'm not black you. Where we see
Mm,
your rest of God now, like
that's what they're trying to do in our life,
it's
Queenie.
all right. We're not
Them try
perfect.
to block you.
You know,
Them
we're not
talk.
perfect today. And
Mm,
me like how you come and declare yourself because sometimes we get misjudged of words and pronunciation. And yes,
exactly.
yeah. Say that Maple Leaf
And that's what I
Canada.
feel like they did.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Are you in Maple Leaf Canada?
Yes, I'm in Canada, Toronto.
Lord God.
And we're waiting for you to come down in Toronto. When are you
My
coming?
son in the lady where me dey come from in July, and the lady put in the application. I don't hear gunfire about it. Them claims that through the war, the thing slow up. So I'm still waiting. Canada is still on the question sign. I'm coming soon. She freeze up. All right, Nat. All right. You don't know Natasha. You know what? My rate her because she come and she declare herself, and then our page is real. So whatever she writes it on her real page, and she clarify. But record, goody what, ma? Me find you, love. Play a Joe plug for me. Goody up on the live. Goody. For me, something here, baby. Okay. Girl records from Friends for Real. What am I the June plum? Me find you, love. My June plum. Them vex me, I live my life. When she said, Queenie, me not worry about them bad comments, cause we are live a life over here. So I good at that. Me find you, love. My June plum. Them vex me, I live my life. Whole heap of things that go on for Queenie. Whole heap of things that go on for me for truth. My song them come to life. Do we alone me one between me? Teeny. Who did happen the life this man when the man come and show him the Teely? Me run. Me run like I've never seen a Teely before. I was scared. I first caller. Yes, good day, friends for real. Big up Benji, big up all of those. Yeah, what you call him? Big up Goody Court. Goody, what are you? Me to sing happy birthday for Jeff. I wear my name when me to sing happy birthday. But just remember. Big up the belated birthday boy with a friend, sorry. I don't remember her name again. Good girl. And be everybody come up. Nice, what's doing, nice wife? What really is good, nice grandma, grandma, Queenie. Nice to see. Let me tell you this. Every day I mean, I see myself nice when I can't get to take disadvantage. So the way I'm nice and sweet. I don't care. I'm so unbothered what you lost one is say. Oh God. Winter, you need to come to me, come to me here again. No, Winter. My feel some bad as some bad family bit. No, sir, but I make some liberty and I say me I get mad a little fit. Go Bellevue. When you don't buy plane ticket, come down to Bellevue. Winter don't move. Don't. Oh, Queenie, you're fat. Oh, Queenie, oh, man. This is what my stupid, silly, crazy mindset to do. Morning traffic. Look, but that's what I'm doing there right on the road. Ooh. What? Where is Flipperdan? Flipperdan, you need to move from the one spot you sit every day. Flipperdan, you live and suck out Queenie nose old. Queenie eye old Queenie I must look probably like. Wow! Ooh. morning devotion. So the British word English bus there. That's the British bus. Queen Elizabeth bus. Queen Elizabeth bus. Ah, woo woo. Woo. That you call man. That you call content. Chat to me now, flip it down. Make me you go this, I go stand up. I see all the people them I go vote for see. Natural energy. Don't suck out people nose work. Don't suck out people ears work. Don't suck out people eye work. Not to mention the down. Do not allow yourself.
I'm put up on your context.
Do not allow yourself. Ready where you say?
Your time is that reason.
Ready? Ready, sir? Ready, don't talk about flip of that.
That is it.
I forget how to bring in, man. Remember, without me, she can't survive. Can never survive without me. Prove me wrong. She can't.